Welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're checking out a tour of a 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT with a True North Edition package. It's black in exterior color and blacked out with black alloy wheels, grille inserts, black trimmed headlights, as well as LED daytime running lights, projection headlamps, body colored mirror caps and door handles, and Traverse badges down the side. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to an all-wheel drive system and an automatic transmission. LT Traverse comes with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, as well as automatic headlamps, a heated steering wheel, cruise control, push-to-talk voice controls, 8,526 kilometers on the odometer. It has a touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera, optional 4G LTE connection, outside temperature display, push-button engine start, dual climate control zones, and heated seats. The Traverse is equipped with dual-tip exhaust, rear park sensors, a backup camera, rear window wiper, and a power tailgate, and lots of cargo storage room in the open hatch. Complete seating for 7 passengers with bucket seats in second row, and they have access to the third row seats where you'll find a 60-40 split bench. Overhead there's roof vents, lighting, and the second row sunroof. If you have any additional questions about the Traverse LT True North package, please don't hesitate to contact our professional friendly sales staff, and we look forward to seeing you in the showroom.